Hi everyone and welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. I'm Aurelio. Are you ready? We start. I haven't posted any videos to my YouTube channel lately because I've been busy, very busy with some truly demanding work on my SpaceX Super EV booster model. I use challenging one for me, but as I'm about to show you, I spent a huge amount of time crafting the Super EV's engine section to make it look as close as possible to the real subject. In fact, you can see I show you this part. I show you the engine section as in fact now I show you the Super Booster's engine section that I made recently. As you know, I try to avoid using 3D prints. I find more satisfaction made a model with my own hands rather than leaving the work to a machine and a computer. It took a long time to build this part, but ultimately I'm more than happy with the results. In fact, I have the Super Booster engine sections. Now, after the brief introduction, I'm going to reposition the camera and I show you the incredible work I've done on the Super EV engine section to date. Okay, are you ready? We stay in standby, okay? Okay guys, I changed the position of my camera and now you can see the upper part of the engines, the Super Booster engine section. As you can see, it's full of details. It's so incredible. I spent a lot of time to make this part of the booster, but at the end of all the work I done to date, I'm so happy because it's so close to the real subject. In fact, as you can see all these details present in the external part. So sorry, I try to show you in details all the parts of the engine section. It's so beautiful, so perfect, and this is the lower part of the engine section where at the end of all the work I joined all the Raptor engines necessary, 33 Raptor engines in this part of the models, and for this I'm so happy. It's very hard for me to make this part of the model. I spent a lot of time, but I have a great satisfaction because now I'm so close to the end of this model, and when this model is done, I can put it inside my showcase, closer to the older models like the Saturn V Skylabs, Titan Gemini, Atlas Mercury, A2 Soyuz or R7 Soyuz, the Shuttle Cargo C version of NASA, etc. Redstone, Mercury, and I'm so happy because for me is the intent of long production process of long work, and for me is always a great satisfaction. And now I change the subject for this part of the video, and I show you in details all the decals that I in the why yes more or less you can see the decals. I made all the numbers necessary for the future version of the Starship SN-28 and 45, etc., etc. The letter S for the name of the Starship, as example S-24, etc., etc. A lot of thermal protection tiles suitable for all the necessity. The SpaceX logo, a lot of SpaceX logo, because I can use two SpaceX logo for every Starship, and is my intention to do a lot of Starship in a different version. Example, the Starship version 3, the Starship version 2, and the future Starship that the SpaceX can make in the future for a different for the mission to Mars, mission to Moon, etc., etc. And I show you in details these decals. You can see the NASA logo. What is this? I'm so sorry. The decals logo, the thermal protection tiles, the letter S, the different numbers necessary for all types of the Starship. And I'm so happy. Regarding I change another time. Regarding the super booster, I show you where it is. I show you in this way. It's so incredible. In this way is not good. Okay. In this way you can see the more or less. Yes, you can see the super booster for the Starship. The super booster mine's body is also nearing the completion. I just need to finish up a few details, in particular regarding this part where there are the grid fins and the close to the engine section in this part. And then I can move on the painting phase and final assemble for the Starship. I'm so close to the end, as you can see here, the engine section in the final destination. I'm so sorry. Can you imagine this model at the end? I'm so sorry. It's so beautiful, so incredible. I'm so exciting for all the work I done. It's so incredible. I'm so sorry. Change the position. Yes, I think that in this way more or less is good. Okay. Can you imagine the engine section at the end? Okay, more or less in this way. Okay, hopla. And I'm always so happy for all the work I can do for my space collection. Yep. Okay guys, also this time we have finished. See you soon next time, and don't forget that on my YouTube channel you can find all the video regarding my models, and in particular you can find all the AMK brands, my brand. If you have the interest in regarding my models, write me on email. Okay, see you, bye, and don't forget, AMK is always the best brand regarding the Astronautic model kits. See you, bye!